Welcome, Milano family, to another wonderful, very special episode of the Milano Cooking Show. However, we're not cooking today. We're going to be making, oh, just you wait, Espresso Martinis. And they're way simpler than you think. So the ingredients are down below. I'm going to walk you through it. We're going to make another one. So watch this. Let's get this party started. And of course, ice, too. All right, so what we're going to do, we're going to take our little shaker. Got our little thing happening. So we're going to go with some ice, obviously. Ice and crispy cool. All right, and then put that back up. We're going to go with 2 ounces. So this is my smaller one, is the ounce. 2 ounces of the cream. 2 of these. And I already shook it out just a touch. All right, 2 of those. Wonderful. Go with 2 tablespoons. Oh, excuse me, 2 ounces, I'm so sorry. Of the espresso. So about 1. 2. Because I don't want it too vodka-ish. No. So I'm just going to use 1 ounce of our vodka. And we are going to do 1 ounce of our simple syrup, or AKA Espresso Martini syrup. Look at this. All right, then all we're going to do is shake it up. Remember, we've got the ice in there already. Give it a little shaky. So ready? We're gonna give a little Milano shake. Shake it up. Okay. Then we're going to open her up. Let's see how we did. Pour it on in. Oh, look at this. Oh, just wait. We're gonna add in 3 beans. Should we go for 3? Should we go for 4? I went for 4. Okay, so number 1, let's just see how beautiful it looks. Look at this. Look at this. It's not really what it looks like. It's what it tastes like. Oh! That's fantastic. I had a hard day today, and let me tell you, this is well deserved. That was my granddaughter in the background. Hi, honey. Anywho, so Espresso Martinis, here we come. Thank you, Milano family, for being so fabulous. Hope you enjoy. Have a wonderful weekend. Stay tuned for the next episode.